Today's subscriber shout out goes to, thank you guys for subscribing. Let's get into the video.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, I'm Shakay. I do vlogs, lifestyle, beauty videos. So if you're interested, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, click the bell out so you're notified every time I make a video. So yeah, my ear look mad and whatever, but I'm currently in the process of braiding my hair. So today's video is pretty much going to be a summer glow up transformation video. I'm not sure what I'm titling it as yet, but yeah, in this video I'll do my hair, my nails, and I'm not sure if I'm gonna do my eyelashes again. I don't know. And probably just like a pamper routine, pretty much pampering myself and so on. So yes, let me show you guys the hair that I'm going to be using. I know I kind of sound stuffy. I am sick and that's the reason, so sorry about that. Anyways, so let me show you guys the hair I'm using. So I'm using the Expressions pre-stretch. This is 50-inch yellow braid. It's yellow upper. So it's the T1B yellow, and it has the yellow from there come down to the end. It's pretty cute. It's not straight black, as you guys can see. It has the mixture. So yes, that's the hair I'm using. So right now I already did, like, is it two? Yes, 2 rows. So these are all, yeah. And I meaning yes, I am doing my own hair. Let me see if I can show you guys the back, like show you how it look. I don't know, let me know if y'all seeing what I see. Yeah, so yeah, and that's it. Yeah, I hope you guys saw that. Just hope it was showing. Let me look. So yes, you guys are seeing, so that's fine. That's great. All right, so I'm gonna actually pause right now, but I just remembered I was supposed to do an intro for this video. So I'm gonna pause my hair at the moment, and then I'm gonna wash some clothes because I need to wash some clothes. So I want to wash some clothes and then come back to braiding my hair, and I also have some other stuff to do. But anyways, we're gonna pause this video for a while, and then when I start doing my hair again, we're gonna come back to the video. Hey, this is tight. Let me tell you, I don't let people braid my hair because I have migraine, and when the hair too tight, I'm gonna pull it out. And right now my hair at the moment is actually tight. It's like me not remember if you do ear slack. It tight bad. I don't know, it tight. I never expect it to be so tight, especially the 4 back one, the 4 back ones. They are tight. So yeah, I'm excited to see how this is gonna look in the end, because this color, everybody knows, is my favorite color. I've never put in a yellow braid before. I've put in I think purple or something like that. I don't remember if I put in purple, but yellow is my first time, so exciting. So yeah, alright guys, so this is where I am so far. I've done quite a bit, but I'm gonna stop for the night because I'm tired. I'm super tired. I'm wondering if I can actually show you guys what it looks like in this, like, there it is. Okay, that's what it looks like around there. I can show you guys tomorrow or so, I don't know, maybe. But yeah, that's it. I'm gonna go to bed now, and I'll pick up the vlog whenever I decide to do more. Alright guys, so we're gonna start the rest of it. As I said last night, this is where I stopped. I'm gonna be doing the front until my mom is back from meeting, because I want her to part for me. And yeah, I'm just in love with these hands. Alright, so I'm going to try my best not to pull up the partings I had made first. So I hope they haven't been pulled up. So let's go with that. halfway through. I just have this little part to do and then I'm done. Let's pause her. So guys, I'm almost done. I just have this like little part left. Yeah, so it is currently 11:13. I'm trying to done by 11:59 because of what my sister, my cousin, they're betting me to finish at 12. Well, I can't finish by 12, so I'm trying to finish at 12, but I'm not trying to not do my hair work. So let's get this done. So I'm finally done. It's actually 11:51. So we win the bet. Me winning bet. Oh, sorry. Hey guys. So this is like the second part of the summer glow up to be that hot girl, that girl for summer. Guys, I'm tired. Give me a sec. Alright guys, so I had to just take out my mask because I don't want nobody locking me up. So as soon as I like reach the road part, I'm gonna just put it on. Right now, I can't better. So I'm gonna get my nails done. I think I'm gonna get my fingers and toes. Like my toes, them from the last time, then though they didn't take off all now, so they're still on. Yeah, and I'm at camp, so I'm using my lunch time to go and do this. And my lunch is like an hour, so I know I'm gonna be late for the next session, but it's a good thing I don't have like something I have to do. But anyways, give me a sec. Hi guys, so yes, this is my hair. I don't know if I actually showed you guys what my hair looks like. It was more yellow than I expected, not gonna lie. I thought most of the yellow was at the end, but as you can see, there's like yellow in like there. And yes, so that's that. Yes, so I got my nails done. This is what it looks like. Pretty cute. I think this one is my favorite, not gonna lie. I love this. I think for September I might do something like this to go back to school, but not the same color, you know. Yeah, something that looks more professional, but yeah, I love it. And then I also did my toes. They're nude actually. My toes are so ugly. Oh, don't look at them. Yeah, so that's my toes. And this is my hair. As I said, I need to hot water this before it starts to pull out again. I had to twist quite a few of them yesterday because it was pulling out. And yeah, so let me know in the comments down below, how did I do to say I did my hair? I think this is the best I've ever done my hair. I think I've been learning. Yeah, this is the best I've done my hair. She's gonna get glowed up tomorrow. No, today and tomorrow, no. Or today aired, no? Yes, her hair is being done. Will be done today. So I don't know if she's gonna put anything like this on her channel, but yeah, if she don't put it on it, I'll put it in my vlog. And she's gonna get her nails tomorrow. So yeah, I like that song, but anyways, I don't want to get copyrighted. So yes, bye guys, I'll see you later. So I just thought about it, might as well I just end the vlog since pretty much my glow up is done for now until like the day we're gonna actually go where we're going. So this is basically my summer glow up. So yes, that is it. That is pretty much it. That is my that girl hot girl summer look. And whatever, I could probably pull out the hair, let y'all see, and whatever. So yeah, that is what that looks like. So yes, I'm not gonna lie, I love it. Love it. So yes guys, again, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. Go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up, comment, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you're notified every time I make a video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.